Before I say anything about the project itself, I want to start with clarity. This isn't an investment pitch. It isn't an offering, and it isn't a solicitation. There are no numbers in this video. That material will come later, properly, formally, and compliantly through regulated processes, document disclosures, and structured investor suitability frameworks. Today is simply an introduction to an idea, a model, and a way of thinking about private real estate that's worth understanding. So let's get into it. Most people think private real estate investing starts with deals, but it doesn't. It starts with understanding how assets are built, how risk is structured, and how demand is created, and how capital actually behaves over long periods of time. So instead of starting with numbers, I want to start with logic. So let's start with a simple question. Why does a project like 1290 Walkley Road exist at all? 1290 Walkley Road isn't a speculative land play. It isn't a rezoning bet. It isn't a planning gamble, meaning the zoning already allows exactly what's being built. No variances, no policy risk, no entitlement uncertainty. And from a structural risk perspective, that matters more than what people realize. The site sits on a main street corridor within walking distance of the Walkley LRT station, close to Bank Street amenities, Carleton University, employment hubs, and major transit routes. From a planning lens, this location already aligns with how the City of Ottawa wants the city to evolve. Density near transit, housing near infrastructure, efficient land use, and reduced car dependence. This isn't forcing development into the wrong place. It's building in a place that policy already supports. The project itself is a 25-unit, 3.5-story, purpose-built, single-room occupancy building. It's designed from the ground up for long-term operation. Small, efficient, single-occupancy units, purpose-built systems, net zero construction standards, and net zero isn't branding, it's economics. Lower long-term energy volatility, lower operating risks, greater durability, and stronger long-term asset performance. But the deeper reason that this project exists isn't technical, it's structural. We're living through severe housing undersupply, a population that increasingly lives in 1- and 2-person households, and a market that continues to build housing that doesn't match how people actually live. And that creates a gap. People who don't need full apartments, people who can't afford full apartments, people who don't want full apartments, but who still need quality, dignified, well-located housing. Single-room occupancy and micro-unit housing exists because of that reality, not because of trends, but because of demographics. And that's the part that matters the most conceptually. This isn't about owning a building. It's about owning a position inside a long-term real estate strategy. No tenants, no renovations, no maintenance calls, no midnight emergencies, no landlord life. This is real estate as a portfolio asset, not a job, not a side hustle, not a second career. Over time, this kind of structure naturally evolves into formal investment frameworks, governance structures, GP-LP models, suitability assessments, defined investor qualification, capped participation, structured capital flows, return of capital frameworks, long-term reinvestment strategies, not as marketing, as necessity, because serious capital requires structure, transparency, governance, and discipline. And the long-term vision isn't one project. It's repetition. It's a repeatable model, a scalable structure, a consistent housing type, a defined demographic, a durable financing strategy, a long-term ownership mindset. Where capital isn't deployed, it's cycled, returned, and reinvested into future projects over time. And that's how private real estate portfolios are built. I hope this video was helpful in some small way. Go to marcboulangerrealty.com, go to the VIP section and put your name on the VIP section. When the information for this specific project becomes available and we go through the formal procedure of disclosing all of the math, all the documentations, all the risks, I will call you and we will go through and we will determine if this is an opportunity for you worth investing and to build out your specific portfolio. So again, go to marcbelangerrealty.com, put your name on the VIP list, or schedule a call with me using my Calendly link. It's in the description below. Let's have a quick 15-minute or half an hour phone call, and let's determine if this is what you're looking for to build sort of a balanced portfolio into the real estate space. So I look forward to it. I look forward to putting these videos together. Until the next video, stay smart, stay invested. I'll see you in the next one.